What are some of the challenges that you see when law firms are migrating to the cloud? And can you discuss some of the things that your team does to kind of support them on that journey?
Sure. So I would think about that in terms of three pieces. So one is the data of a sufficient quality. Am I moving to a system that is more tolerant or less tolerant of aberrations in the data, et cetera? So how prepared am I? Do I have access to the data that I need to move in the first place? Second is the process. One of the great debates for firms is just how much am I trying to just move my existing business as usual environment to the cloud, or am I taking advantage of the disruption of moving to a new application by reinventing how I go about doing things? And then the third is change management. So do I have a plan at the start of this to make sure that my end users are ready to use the application as it's intended to be used and to get the outcomes that they want? And then interestingly, from a partner standpoint, how do we as a good partner to folks like Adderant ensure that adoption rates are high? Because as you go to the cloud, renewals become the whole game, right? So your subscription model, you need that renewals on a perpetual basis, and that only comes if everybody feels like they're getting value out of the software. So that adoption becomes a very important aspect of what we do and how we partner well with folks like Adderant.